Uniquely Creative with a brand new collection we're releasing today. It's called Merry and Magical. It's the first of our Christmas collections. It's beautiful. It's all about Christmas in Australia. So Christmas in summer, no snowflakes, no Santa hats, and just generally beautiful things. So let me take you through all the beautiful papers. This is Christmas Spirit. Cute little B-side. This one's Christmas Ornaments. Lots of beautiful images to fussy cut out. And you've got a dot on the back. This one is Christmas Lights. The beautiful black cocky on there. Wood grain on the back. This one's Christmas Festivities, which is also lots of individual fussy cut pieces. And then we've got the crosses on the back. This one is Christmas Eve. Very cute. Another one of our birds. And that's the B side. This one is Christmas Day. Nice little flower clusters. We've got some stars on the back. This one is Christmas Cheer. It's got a whole bunch of cute little tags on it. And a dot on the back. And lucky last is Christmas by the Sea. And some gum leaves on the back. So that's all the individual papers. There is also the mini collection pack, which is great for card making. And of course the creative cuts. We have got 6 dies releasing in September. So let me start here. So these are the ones which are releasing with the kit. So this one is called Nordic Stars, and it's very beautiful. This one here is called, it's got Joy and Jolly, so it's called Joy and Jolly. This one is actually included in the kit. If you're thinking about getting the kit, that one's in the kit. And this one here, which is our Slim Christmas gum die. And it's got Merry Christmas on there and the cute little birds and the gum leaves. So they're the 3 dies associated with the kit. We've then got 3 other dies that we're releasing, which are the standard dies. Of course, we have got the new stitch circles and the stitch scallops that go with our squares and our rectangles. So we've finally been able to release those. And this is another slimline card, which is just a bit fun. It's a whole bunch of borders, dies, and it's called Slim Lacy Borders. So you've got the 2 frames and then 3 individual borders in there. And that one is just $25. That one's super value. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, we've got a wooden laser cut, some more stickers. So remember our wish stickers? We've now got some new ones, and these are called family stickers, and they're in the beautiful shimmery gold. And new lace. So now we have added to our collection lace pieces that are leaves. So these are leaves, trying to get it so you can see it. So that is the leaves. Just under here we have got the 3 cut apart sheets for this month. This is just our general cut apart sheet. You also get a copy of this in the collection pack. And that works with all of our essential dies 1, 2 and 3. We have got this bonus little Christmassy one, which you thought it's Christmas cards. We might do one of those that goes with die number 6. And this one here, which is the one that goes with our card making kit, and that goes with die number 5, and just a whole bunch of Christmas sayings on there. Let's quickly show you some of the projects that DT have made with this gorgeous collection and all the pieces, and I'll quickly take you through the kit. So very beautiful, magical Australian layouts. Merry Christmas. This one here is really cute. I love it. Summer. So you don't need to use this for Christmas. That is just perfect just for summer, hanging out by the pool. I love this one. It's a multi-page Christmas photo one. I know how much you guys love that. This is probably my favorite. This is the Sunshine Australia on the beach one. So cute little Christmas Day one there with all the different birds and background pieces. Another beautiful Christmas Day one. This looks like a typical Christmas morning in my house. Super pretty. Okay, some of the cards that DT have made. These are featuring in the magazine. This is a really cool fun effect. There's a tutorial on that in the magazine. This is using that beautiful slim gum die. Very cool. Lots of great fun Christmas cards that you can make with the big papers. Okay, let me show you quickly what's in the kit. So if you're going to get the kit on the 5th, you know exactly what you're going to get. So in the kit, as I mentioned, is the Joy and Jolly die. We have got some card and envelopes because it's Christmas time. We know that you guys might want to make some cards. We've got the Merry and Magical creative cuts. We've got the laser cut for Merry and Magical. Some beautiful little rhinestones for you. That sticker sheet that I was showing you before. Perfect for all your layouts. Some muslin, add some texture. Our white flowers. cut apart sheet, of course, which you can cut out with all your essential dyes. Need some shiny things because it still is Christmas even though it's summer. Some gorgeous rose gold glitter card and some rose gold foil. Those leaves, the lacy leaves, and lucky last, the collection pack. So this kit will be available on the 5th of September. Everything else here I've shown you is available as of today, the 1st, and you can pick these up at your local craft store as well. We also have a card making kit coming on the 5th, and you can pop over and watch the next video to see what's in there. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.